If you want to get rid of neck and shoulder pain, you have to fix 4 lines of fascia that connect head to fingers. Here's how. You see the shoulder joint is used to point the arm up so the hand can grab, lift, and carry. Now to do this, it gets strength from the superficial front line, which engulfs the pec, the biceps, and the forearm muscles, plus the superficial back line, which engulfs the trapezius, deltoid, triceps, and back of forearm muscles, because they're strong enough to move that heavy arm. And they also connect shoulder blade to spine, so this tugging and heavy lifting can sometimes produce pain. Which is why we have the deeper layer, which is underneath the superficial layer, and provides stability and control so we don't get a lot of clunking leading to neck and shoulder pain. So the deep front line engulfs the subclavius muscle, pec minor, coracobrachialis, and pronator muscles of the forearm. Whereas the deep back line engulfs the levator scapula, the rhomboid, rotator cuff muscles, and the extensor muscles of the forearm on the backside. Now before we move on to treatments, quick summary. So we have the superficial top layer on the back and the front that creates power and strength, and underneath that we have the deep layer also on the back and the front, which produces control and stability. And these 4 exercises can help start getting it all to work together. Begin by bringing your arms overhead and back down with your hands all the way open wide. You could see it stretching the whole superficial front line of fascia, and keep the arms at or slightly behind your ears. Next, you bring your arms up and in and down and back. You'll see how my palms face outward on the way back and in on the way up. We're getting the whole superficial back line throughout this movement. Make sure that you're staying upright and swinging all the way through. Next, keeping your hands up, you go all the way out and back in. Try to keep your forearms up, and it stretches the whole deep front line of fascia. Make sure that, again, you're upright and you're pulling forward and back. Next, grab your thumbs, rotate your hands outward, and then push up and out and down and back, up and out and down and back. This gets the deep back line of fascia, and make sure you're upright throughout the whole movement. So get to working that fascia, and if you do need more help fixing any kind of head, jaw, or neck pain, you can check out the link in my bio where I have more resources for you.